Hey my friends, Kalam here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can design a logo on Adobe Express. So without any more time wasted, let's into jump here. So first I'm going on Adobe Express. You need to just log in here with your Gmail. I hope you are able to do this perfectly. Then again repeat this link. I will attach in my video description for easy access. Just input your Gmail. So just scroll down here. You can see here is a lots of logo free and paid available right now. Example purpose. I click on this one. So now just replace this image. Then I want to add my self photo. Okay, this one I want to add. That's good. Now go to background remove, then adjust from this design. So here is the type of my name. So this is a method you can design any thumbnail on Adobe Express. Now go to download button, then download as a PNG JPG. So if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe the channel. See you again. Take care. Bye.